Can ChatGPT help with gardening? In this video we're going to be exploring the Planty GPT, which as described by ChatGPT is a fun and friendly plant care assistant. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest AI technologies. The first thing we're going to ask is, what is Planty able to do? The answer we have received is that it can answer plant care questions, identify plant issues, provide gardening tips, help with plant identification, suggest plants for your spaces, and offer creative plant-related ideas. We'll be testing out all of these functionalities in this video. Let's now ask some basic questions about household plants. We'll start by asking, how often should I water sunflowers? Included in the response I have been given information about both young sunflowers and established sunflowers, and how to judge whether they need watering based on the texture of the soil. Now let's try asking a question like, when is the best time to grow peppers in the UK? Included in its response is where you should start to grow peppers and in which months, and then when you should move them outside. It also includes information about where to place your plants and information about greenhouses. Overall, it has provided a detailed description which not only answers our question but gives us some additional guidance surrounding the plants we want to grow. Now let's see how well Planty does at identifying issues we have with our plants. Why are the leaves turning yellow? Planty has provided us with 6 potential reasons why my plant's leaves are turning yellow. These include water issues, nutrient deficiencies, lighting problems, pest infestations, diseases, and natural aging. It has given a small description after each response. At the end it has provided an action plan to pinpoint the exact issue. Now we're going to see how well Planty is at providing gardening tips. We'll simply start by asking, give me some tips for growing strawberries in the UK. It has provided an in-depth response about all the factors you need to consider if you want to grow strawberries in the UK, including the planting time, soil types, how to plant, when to water, mulching, feeding, how to protect from birds and slugs, and when to harvest. If we would like more information about a certain factor, we can simply ask. For example, if I ask, provide more information about what soil type is the best. Now it has provided much more information about the type of soil you should use, including the preferred pH, what you should add to the soil, how to maintain soil conditions, and much more. We're now going to see how well Planty does at identifying a plant. In our example, I'm going to use a lavender plant. I'm simply going to ask, I have a plant which has a thin green stem with a bunch of small purple flowers at the top. What plant do I have? Planty was successfully able to identify the plant I have, and has also provided other plants which I may be referring to. Now we're going to upload a picture of an aloe vera plant and see if it knows what it is. As you can see, Planty managed to work out what plant was in the image, and it has also provided some additional information about it. Last but not least, we're going to see how well Planty can suggest plants for our specific place. I'm going to simply ask, I live in an apartment on the 10th floor in the UK and get very little sunlight. Please suggest some plants for me. The response I've been provided with includes information about the type of plant that I would want to look for, along with 10 potential options. It has also provided a short description for each plant. For example, for spider plant it has said, these are incredibly easy to care for and can survive in a wide range of conditions, including low light. They also produce lovely little plantlets that can be potted to create new plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.